Hey guys, so now you can see this is the course which we have created. If you will click on preview, you will see the course like this. If you will copy the URL of this preview course and if you will try to open this in your private window, so you will see this landing page in a different way. So this is the same way whenever someone will visit to your website first time. So they will see this interface. This course is free. They can enroll now, and if they will try to click on enroll now, they have to whether create new account or they have to log in to access your course. Now, suppose if you want to make your site paid, that means you want people to pay you, then only you want them to take your course or give access to your course like Udemy. So how you can do that? So what you need to do, you simply have to go to your dashboard. When you will go to your dashboard, go to Twitter. From Twitter, just click on courses. So now here all are your courses. Let's suppose click on edit and let's just copy the name of your course. Very simple. Now you need to go to settings. Now here you will see this monetization option. Just click here. Now here you people will going to see WooCommerce. So select the WooCommerce option and click on save settings. Now this setting is saved. Now you simply need to go to your product. From product, click on add new. Okay, so whenever you want to create any paid course, simply copy the name of the course which you have created from here and then go to product and click on add new. And you simply have to name the same course name which you have named in Tutor LMS. So from Tutor LMS we have copied the name of the course and this is the same course name we have pasted here. Very simple. Now you don't need to do anything here. You simply have to click here for tutor so that we can connect this paid course with our dead course. Now you don't have to do anything. Now here you just need to write the price of your product or services. So for example, this is my course and I want to sell this course for $10. Right now you can see it is selected as pound, but don't worry, we will teach you how you can change to your currency name. Maybe you have Indian currency, or if you want to change to dollar, if you want to change to another currency. So I will teach you how you can do that. But right now I just want it to be $10. Very simple. Now you don't have to do anything. If you want to set the featured image, or you can say product image, so I will select this only. Very simple. Now you can write the product tag and you can also write the category of the page. For example, I have told you all that course was under marketing. Very simple. Click on add new category. So inside marketing was digital marketing. Okay, so let's write it one more time. Digital marketing. We have by mistake made it in a separate, but don't worry, inside marketing just write it digital marketing. Very simple. Now untick this marketing because we have put it by mistake. So you can also add more if you want to. Very simple. Now for example, if you want Google Ads, let's say Google Ads. Okay, click on digital marketing. Inside digital marketing, very simple. Now you can see inside marketing we have digital marketing. Inside digital marketing we have Google Ads course. Very simple. Now what you need to do, you need to simply do nothing and you simply have to click on publish. So now friends, your product is published. Now what you need to do, you simply need to connect this with your course so that you can make your course paid. So what you need to do, you need to again go to Tutor LMS, click on courses. This was your course, click on edit. Now friends, you need to scroll down here. You will see one option will come. It is called as add product. So from here you need to select the course. Here this is the course which we have created here just now from product and add new. You simply have to select this. So now after you will do this, here you people will going to see paid option. Just click on paid and just click on update. So now guys, after you will update it, simply again go to your private window and refresh it. Now you will be able to see the paid option. Now you people can see it is showing 10 as paid. So you need to pay now to access this course. Now you will see here add to cart option. So a person will, when click on add to cart, it will take them to checkout, and there they can pay, and after they will pay, they can access to your course. So this is how you can make your course paid. Very simple. Now just click on dashboard. So now you have made your course paid, but here you need to do one thing, is that you need to set up your payment system. So when someone will pay to your course, so where that money will go? So it's obvious that it will go to your bank account. So you need to connect your bank account to your course website, so that whenever someone will pay you, you will get payment to your bank account. Now every payment related details are controlled with the help of WooCommerce. So you simply have to go to WooCommerce. From here you need to click on settings. Now this is the general settings, like address and everything like this. Now here it is giving one option of selling location. So it's but obvious that people will take your course from all over world. But if you want to select one specific country, you can do so, but I will select to all countries. Now just there's no need to do anything. Okay, here is the currency thing. So right now, if you want in terms of dollar, or if you want to set your currency, for example, I live in India, so I will going to choose Indian currency. But right now I will go for a dollar, US dollar, because my customers are from around the world, so I will go for a United States. But if you are targeting to your own country, for example, you are from India and you want that only Indians will going to take your course, so in that case you can set your currency to Indian currency. Now after you will do that, just click on save changes. So you have successfully changed the setting. So now if you will again go to your page, and if you will refresh it, now you will see dollar symbol. You can see now it is showing dollar symbol, because inside WooCommerce I have selected dollar. Now you don't have to do anything in product, you don't need to do anything in shipping, because it is your online course. Now just come directly to payments. So now here you can offer different options. So with the help of these options or these methods, any user can pay you money to access your course. So I will going to turn on direct bank transfer and PayPal standard, because PayPal is very common. But if you have any different methods, like you can even add Stripe, I will going to provide you one link. With the help of that link, you can integrate Stripe with WooCommerce. If you are Indian users, so I will suggest InstaMojo, because InstaMojo is Indian company. I will also provide the link of that in description of this video. So I will highly suggest open your direct bank transfer, open your PayPal, and if you are from US, not from India, okay, so if you are not from India, but if you are from any other country, then I will highly suggest to add Stripe option as well. But if you are Indian, so I will suggest InstaMojo integration. I will provide both resources in resources, so that with the help of those resources you can integrate Stripe and InstaMojo. And I am again repeating that if you are Indian, then only add InstaMojo, but if you are not Indian, then you need to add Stripe. But it's totally optional. Usually people choose PayPal. So PayPal is common, so I will teach you PayPal. Okay. Now first let's see about direct bank transfer. So you need to click on setup. Now from here you need to give the bank details of your account, so that someone will directly pay to your bank account. Okay, so for example, I write this bank name, Bank of Baroda, FC code. So this is the information I have put, and I will simply click on save changes. Again, just click on these payments. Now we have put the direct bank transfer. So if you don't want people to give you offline, so you can just disable this option as well. Okay, and you only want to take payments online, then I highly suggest to go with PayPal standards. This is the option, or you can add Stripe and InstaMojo as well. It's totally up to you. Now just integrate PayPal. So to integrate PayPal, click on manage. So from here, just write the correct PayPal email ID. But if you guys don't have PayPal email ID or PayPal account, so kindly create it. It is very easy. In YouTube you will get plenty of videos. For example, let's go to youtube.com, and you can simply search how to create account in PayPal. Okay, so it will give you lots and lots of tutorials. Create PayPal account. So there will be lots of videos, lots of tutorials that will going to help you to create your PayPal account. So with the help of these videos, you can create PayPal account and you can set up your bank details in PayPal. Okay, so here make sure that enter your PayPal email address. So PayPal email address is what? PayPal email address means PayPal generally needs one email to make or receive payments. So everything will be taught inside YouTube. You can watch those videos to understand it. But make sure to create one PayPal account if you want to. Okay. Now just go here. Now see, if we want to connect our PayPal with our WooCommerce, so we need simply API password and signature and username as well. So you need to create this inside PayPal. So how you can create that? So to do that, you simply have to just go to new browser. From here, you need to write paypal.com. Then you need to put hash. Then you need to put business manage. Then you need to put hash. Then from here, you need to put credentials. Then put hash. Then put API. Then put access. Then click on enter. So it will give you this link. Just click on login. Now you will come here. So guys, here make sure whenever you put the link, your A must be capital. Okay, then after you will do that, just scroll down and here you will see this option called as MVP SOAP API integration. So you need to click on manage API credentials. Now friends, you will be able to going to see this thing. Just select this first one like this and click on agree and submit. Now you can see API username, password and signature. You simply have to click on show, and now you simply have to copy this like this, copy this and paste it inside your username, API username like this. So similarly, you need to delete this one, and now what you need to do, you need to again click on this API show button, then it will show some code, paste it here. Similarly, here you will see the signature option, just click on show and paste it here. So because of security reason, I won't be able to show my. Okay, so now friends, as you can see, I have paused the video and I have just put my password and signature here, and after you will do that, just simply click on save changes. So now friends, we have successfully set up our payment system. Now you can get payment with PayPal, and as I have told you, you can also use InstaMojo if you are Indian, but if you are from another countries, you can use Stripe as well. So it's totally up to you. But PayPal is globally accepted, so it is a very common thing. So that's why I have told you about PayPal. Now if you will go to your tutor LMS, from here just go to courses, and from here you can just view your courses. Okay, so it will look like this. Let's open it in private video so that I can show you exactly how it works. Okay, so now it is showing to create your account. So no problem, what we can do, we can just I can show you practically with the live example. I will going to create one account with this Google account. So now I will going to create my account. So here I will going to put my first name as business Vidya, very simple. Username will be, for example, business Vidya, very simple. I will put my email and I will put the password. So for example, suggest password, this one. So click on register then. So now you can see when I've registered, I have come to this course. Now you simply have to click on this add to cart button. Now you will be able to see this view card. Just click here. Now you can see friends, now you can just pay me $10 like proceed to checkout. Now you have to simply put the billing details, your street name, Alana, and there are many things. After you will fill the details, you will see that you will going to see one option of proceed to PayPal. So let's put our detail. For example, let's put it India. Phone number. Okay, everything is done. Then after it, you will click on proceed to PayPal. So now friends, it will take you to the PayPal account. So you can just pay by debit or credit card, whatever you want. And you can see now a payment detail will come of $10 because our course is of $10. So like that, any student can come to your course, and after they will pay you, they can enroll inside your course. So it's that simple. At end of this course, after we will going to do every customization and everything, then we will give you live practical, and we will going to show you how it works in practical. Okay, so but right now you can see everything is working great. Now after doing this payment settings, you simply have to click on accounts and privacy. So now here, just tick mark these three boxes and untick last two. Actually, we don't want whenever someone will come to our website and when they will put their username, actually we don't want people username and password to be auto generated. We want them to put their username and password by themselves. So that's why we have unticked it, and make sure that these four options will be ticked. And after you will do that, just click on save changes. Now go to advanced setting. Now here just make sure that this cart page is selected to cart page, this checkout page is selected to checkout page, this my account page is selected to my account, and you don't need to do anything. Just go here and click on save changes. So now we have done each and every settings. So at end of this video, I will show you one live example how this payment system works, and I will also going to buy one course and give you everything in real practical way. Okay, so now let's go to dashboard because we have over all the settings related to payments.